Are you destroying your geometry today? If you try text bevel option and get overlaps, or convert it to a mesh and add a bevel only to have the geometry fall apart, this video is for you. No add-ons, no geometry nodes, just mesh editing. Hi everyone, today we're going to add a bevel to 3D text in Blender. We'll be using Blender's default font here, but this technique should be applicable to any thick or bold font. I picked a few letters here that tend to cause trouble when beveling. Okay, let's get started. On the right side of the screen, open the Object Date Properties, the one with the air icon, and slightly increase the resolution value. We won't be using any subdivision modifiers later, so the current smoothness will directly affect the final look. Next, let's convert the text to a mesh. Right-click and choose Convert to, then select Mesh. Once you convert it, you won't be able to edit the text content anymore. After that, press Tab to enter Edit mode. Our goal here is to make a clean inset without breaking the mesh. Once we manage that, we can safely apply bevel within that width. Press A to select all and press Ctrl F, then choose Beautify Faces. This converts stretched triangles into more balanced ones, allowing faces to be inset cleanly later. Now press I to insert the faces. You'll notice that in sharp corners the geometry starts overlapping. That's what we need to fix. Once you've tested the inset and decided on the widths, undo that operation, then select the vertices causing the overlap, and press X to delete them. Different letters may require different fixes. For example, with the capital K, you might need to press S to slightly separate the vertices in the middle section. For the capital Q, you can press M to merge any vertices that are too close together. This step takes a bit of manual work, since text-based meshes vary so much in shape that it's very difficult to automate. It will slightly alter the letter's outline, so decide which vertices to adjust based on how much shape change is acceptable and how wide you want your inset to be. Once you've finished adjusting the meshes, you should now be able to inset cleanly. Before moving on, let's check the face orientation. If any faces are flipped during editing, the bevel won't apply correctly. Select everything, press E to extrude, and give it some depth. Next, select the edges where you want to apply the bevel. Select one edge, then press Shift G and choose Face Angles. If the vertical edges are included, switch to a side view and deselect them by holding Ctrl and dragging. Now press Ctrl B or choose Bevel from the toolbar. And set the width to a value below your inset width. You can increase the segments for a smoother look. Finally, apply shade or smooth, adjust the angle as needed. And that's it. You've got clean, 3D bevel text without breaking the mesh. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.